Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Universe. Today I'm here to guide you through how to add your WhatsApp link to your TikTok account. And I think most of us are finding it difficult to add their WhatsApp link to their TikTok account. So let's get started. So in case maybe you first open your WhatsApp, like I've opened mine. So as you guys can see, I'm in my groups. So I'll just choose one of the groups. So maybe I'll choose this one. Then you scroll down here, you scroll come down, then you you will tap on the invite to group via link. So here we are coming to copy our link. So we just tap on it. Then as you guys can see, copy link. So just tap on it, you just tap on copy link. So as you guys can see for here, I've copied my link. Then boom, we are good to go. So the next step, we open our TikTok account. So in case you are not having up to 10k followers, you will be finding it difficult small, because when you add your link to the TikTok, it will not be clickable. But those of us that are having it, that are having more than 10k, they can click on our link and it will direct them to our WhatsApp link straight. So let's continue. So here you come, you tap on edit profile, just tap on it. Then you scroll. When you see website here, I mean this website, you just tap on the website. Then you see the copy, that the link that you copy on WhatsApp. Yeah, you just paste it here, just tap on paste, then save it. So as soon as we save it like that, we can come back and try and see if the link that we added, it will direct them. In case someone tap on the link, will it direct them to our DM street, or it will not? So guys, let's try and see. Okay, so let me tap on it and let's see if it will work. Oh, boom, guys, here we are. I think it's working now. So this is the simple and easiest way to add any of your link to your TikTok account. So on my next video, I'll be showing you guys how to create a successful YouTube account. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be bringing more tutorials that will help you. So guys, I think we are done for today. Peace out.